Here I have Nissan Qashqai ePOWER, and on this example I will show you how to customize and how to set up the camera and parking settings on the following cars. So basically, if your Nissan is running the Android as this Nissan Qashqai, you should see the similar settings. So let me show you how to get access to them. Let's open the apps icon in the left down corner. From the following view, you need to scroll down to select all settings. Under all settings, you should find here the vehicle, and here under vehicle you've got camera and parking. Let's just tap it. As you can see, under camera and parking you've got a few things that you can set up. For example, the my parking locations. Let's just tap it, the first option. Basically, it allows you to save a specific spot where the car should remember to activate certain parking aids like your home driveway, so you can register your home, your office, or some other locations. It could be really useful. Let's go to the vehicle color. As you can see, you can change the color on your camera. It could be silver, red, blue, green, or gray. Let me, for example, choose red. And now, as you can see, this is the red car that you can use. You can also use automatic 360 moving. So when enabled, the camera view will automatically rotate or fly around the car as you move, giving you the best angle to avoid obstacles. You can also change the display settings, so you can adjust your brightness, contrast, tint, color, or black level. You can use the plus or minus buttons to adjust those settings. Let's go back, and you can also use this button above right here. And as you can see, you've got here use the last selected parking mode. So if you always park in a certain way, for example backing into a spot, the car will remember that preferences for the next time. You can also detect the parallel spaces on either side, so the car sensor will actively scan for empty spots on both left and right sides of the street while you are driving slowly. So it could be really interesting. And you can also choose here the parking mode and enable the following options like bay reverse, parallel, or bay forward. So I think that's it for this video. You've got here a few things to customize. You can enable all of them just to have the most of your parking features. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.